Good morning! We're off to another road trip today. We are at Shell, Mexico. This is the newly opened Shell on NLEX. Quite scenic, quite chill spot. And we are with Mazda. Beside me is the Mazda 3 Auto XA, and we're gonna drive this all the way to Baguio. With us today are a bunch of other Mazdas. Of course, the CX-60, that's the support car. Beside it is Aiki of Go Flat Out PH, his Mazda 6 wagon. Makoy Dubs, his Mazda 6 wagon. Sheeny has a BT50. Justin Buzzhype and Alex Manawe Boy have another BT50. Beside it is Sam Surla's Mazda 3. He's with Julian today. They're both of Auto PH. And Ref Bangsil with the Mazda 3. So it's gonna be a very fun drive today. Super chill, no itinerary. We're just gonna drive up to Baguio via Asin Road and we're gonna eat there. We're just gonna enjoy there, and we'll get everybody's insights today on their experiences with their respective Mazdas, and it's gonna be really fun. I guess as a bonus, we'll just go ahead and check for fuel economy because what the heck, we're going up to Baguio anyway. We hope it's gonna be good weather today, and I'll see you guys on the road. We are more than 120 kilometers in since we left Shell Mexico, Pampanga, and we are nearing Shell Rosario. We're gonna stop there for our first buyer break of the day, and so far it's been really so good. The roads in TPLX are really not that good. For the most part, medyo maingay siya. Parang ganon. Pero the sound deadening inside the Mazda 3, I've always raved about it. It's been really good. Pero today was really, it was really put to the test kasi hindi nakakairita. Like, it helps that you hear the exhaust, so nababalance out yung gusto mo madinig and ayaw mo marinig. Pero ayun, very, very comfortable as well. And it's also nice to see all the Mazdas here together. Everybody's having no trouble keeping up with one another kasi they're just cruising easily. We're averaging 12.8 kilometers per liter. Majority of the way, naka-sport mode kami. And ang dami overtaking kasi nag-shoot kami, shoot footage, shoot photos. So it's been very fun. I'm sure it's gonna be even more fun once we get to Asin Road. We'll stop over at Shell, as I mentioned, and we'll probably get some insights from the others kung kamusta yung drive nila so far. So yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Siya yung nag-drive eh. So, I can't say much.
It's my car now.
Bro, sobrang saya. Nasanay na ako sa size ng MX-5 and sobrang agile niya. Ayoko na siyang pakawalan, bro. Paano ba yun?
Okay na okay, very smooth, and of course since Mazda 6 wagon is mid-size vehicle, talagang komportable kami ni Brian. Yeah. Celebrate driving.
Touchdown Baguio Country Club, we're finally here. That was such a fun drive through Asin Road. It was my first time driving uphill there, and my God, what an experience. The Mazda 3 is just so fun to drive through. Twisties, it's so planted, it just corners so well. Admittedly, sometimes I was lacking power when I stayed in automatic without using the paddle shifters. Some corners were just a bit too steep, but then again, for the most part, it was really fun to drive. For now, we're gonna leave the cars here. We're gonna head on over to lunch. Magka-carpool kami because it is a bit hard to drive in Baguio na lahat kami nakakotse. So we're gonna continue our discussion there. We're gonna check back in with you guys with the other friends today, and we'll talk about how our drive has been so far. So, yeah. Siyempre, tumingin agad siya. Kamusta yung drive mo dito? What did you drive and let us know what you did?
Yung Mazda 6 20th Anniversary Edition.
Well,
Super
talaga may
suave
touch.
sa mga twisties. That's really what Mazdas were made for. Wow. And syempre, squad goals, si malaki. Galing, tropa, sa media, nandito. Bye.
Si, eto, tatanong ko. Ref, kasi first time niya mag-drive sa Asin Road. Uy, dito. First time niya mag-drive sa Asin Road. First time niya rin mag-drive ng MD this week.
Oo, pare.
Masaya. Unexplainable. No?
Kamusta yung drive sa Asin
Masaya,
Road?
very planted. It's really a driver's car.
Hindi ka nahihilo.
Hindi ba? Hindi naman.
Kaya sumukhang
It's
kanina eh.
great. I love it. Okay.
Would you do it again? As in,
Yeah, of course.
with the mother?
As in road, di na. Marcos Highway.
Sabi mo ate, once a year lang, no? Huwag na tayo. Ulit.
Road.
We'll ask some of them later kung kamusta yung drive. Mag-check in muna kami. Alright, so we've checked in at our villa and kita nyo naman, ito na yung mga kasama ko. Kaway kayo guys. Alex, Chini, Albert, Aiki, Justin, Julian, up there. And si Sam, andun. McCoy is in another room, pero we just wanna show you our villa here at Baguio Country Club. First time ko din dito, parang lahat yata kami, first time sa villa. Well, we're just gonna show it around. Nandito na rin tayo. Fireplace. Hindi ko lang kung meron marunong gumamit sa amin, han? May lighter yan.
Lighter?
Ooh. Tapos may isang room sa baba. One big room, CR. Tapos may CR. Tapos may dalawa pang rooms sa taas.
Viral na lang, ayoko umakyat.
Ayaw na daw umakit ni Charles. So, ibibiral niya na lang. Hindi ko lang kung ano yung tsura. Alam ko double bed
Sige
seat.
na lang tayo photos sa ano.
Photos na lang. Tapos, so mapapansin namin, walang aircon. Kasi nga, nasa Baguio kami. Tapos, what's nice about the villa is that may parking kasi ng dalawang cars dun sa labas. So, I think 2 cars per cottage. So, at least kami from dun sa lobby ng BCC, nakapaglipat kami ng 2 auto dito. So, convenient naman if you're gonna stay here. Now, ngayon pahinga muna kami. Siguro mamaya we'll do a short discussion about our drive. So, yeah, mamaya ulit. Alright, it's day 2 and we are gonna head back from Baguio. Unfortunately, medyo hindi kami nakapagdaldalan yesterday. Medyo na busy, umulan, and ayun, pahinga na lang kami yesterday. But today we're gonna go to Clark for a late lunch. Yeah, ayun yun, paalis si Ref. That's the MX-5 and 2 people on board. Punong-puno yung trunk nila. And this one, BT50. Tingnan nyo naman, Justin has a golf bag. So, limited storage but they're making it work.
Unang-una, super nag-enjoy ako sa media drive na to. Napag-usapan nga natin na parang isa to sa mga pinakamasayang media drive natin. And bukod dun, nag-enjoy tayo sa mga kotse nila. Ako, na-drive ako Mazda BT50. Really like the space in sa likod and yung design ng car. And going here, alam natin pick up siya, pero komportable naman. And for me, that's very important.
All right, touchdown Shell Rosario, and this kind of concludes the fuel economy test part of the drive. We have gassed up 1,673 pesos, 27 liters. Not bad because this was going up to Baguio. Rumaratot kami ng konti pataas, tapos madaming idling, like yung paghihintay at the hotel, and then now going down here via Marcos Highway. Maraming traffic sa Baguio when we passed by, and may traffic din going down Marcos Highway. So that's not bad, 27 liters. And it's reading a steady 10.1 kilometers per liter. Considering the drive we did, that's really very, very good. Kasi paahon yun, imagine. The Mazda 3 has been holding up so well. The twisty after Marcos Highway, ang saya niya i-drive. Well, I wasn't driving, but I was a passenger. But it was really fun. Mazda 3 just felt planted all the way throughout, and that Skyactiv engine is just really, really fun. And I just even get to appreciate even more so the automatic transmission that this one gets, because some of its direct competitors no longer have that traditional AT, and yeah, just that. It's really, really fun. Now, we're gonna drive off to Clark just for a late lunch, and we'll see you guys there.
Okay, so the drive's been very seamless and alam niyo very chill lang. We've traveled more than 700 kilometers kasi ako, si Charles and Leander from Top Gear, galing pa kami ng Laguna. While the rest of the team naman galing naman ng NCR, most of them. But you know, we really test the capabilities of the Mazda vehicles, especially with the new BT50 and you know its capacity, 'di ba, and power. Lalong-lalo na yung mga dinaanan namin sa Baguio, talagang steep din and hindi usual yung mga routes na dinaanan namin. But overall, the experience is superb, and of course, yung mga nakasama natin dito are very passionate when it comes to driving.
That is a wrap. We're done with our late lunch, porch coffee, and we're just gonna head home. No more convoy, just everyone at their own pace, enjoying their own cars. So, if anything, this drive was just a showcase of how well these Mazdas drive, from the Mazda 3 to the Mazda 6 to the MX-5 and even the BT50, on how capable of a pickup it is. And it's been such a great experience with Mazda Philippines, for them to bring like-minded people like us together, just sharing our passion for cars and enjoying these Mazdas on the way to Baguio. We hope to do more of these in the future. But for now, we're gonna drive home this Mazda 3 and we're just gonna enjoy every bit of time left we have with it, because we're gonna return this soon, and we really are gonna miss this. This is my second time trying this out, and it's just probably one of my favorite Mazdas right now, if not the Miata. So really excited to drive home as well and just get some rest. But for now, this has been Leander and Charles and everyone else from the automotive industry, and we'll see you guys in the next drive.